In the last session, we have dealt with the principles of V BODMAS with basic concepts. In this session, today we are going to deal with the practice problems on V BODMAS principle. The first problem in front of you is 3 1 by 4, which is a mixed fraction value, divided by the curly braces 1 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 into the small bracket 2 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6. Here these parts are coming under the vinculum bar brackets. After that, closing of all the brackets divided by 1 by 2 of 4 1 by 3. So whenever you are coming across these kinds of problems, first you want to divide the question into several parts. So here this is one of the parts, and from here to here, which is one of the parts, here this is a separate one. So here which is division, here which is division. How we are arranging this is based on the brackets. That is simple. So first of all, let's solve over here. Why? Because V BODMAS, first of all we want to check for V. So vinculum is presented over here. So let's solve only this part, that is 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6. Together we want to make it. So while picking up these values, don't take the negative value. That is very important. That is belongs to both the values after solving them. So 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6, both are fraction, different denominators. So take the LCM of 4 and 6. What is the LCM of 4 and 6? Simply 4 is 2 into 2, 6 is 2 into 3. You want to factorize it like that. So afterwards, take the common numbers, just circle it. What is the excess number? 2 and 3. So here, focusing on the largest number, that is 6. So one of the part is 3, right? So you no need to take into account these values. How we got 6? You just forget it. And what is the excess value over here? After cancelling the common factors from 6, that is extra one more 2. This 2 is to be multiplied. So 6 into 2, which is going to be 12. Or else, we can get it in another way. Just after factorizing 2 here, 3 here. So they are separate. What is the common value? Only one time you want to take. This is another way of getting it. So here 2 into 3, 6 into 2, 12. So however, you can get the LCM, what we have learnt in the school days, the traditional method or this method, you can take it. So LCM is 12, it's very clear. So for that LCM, you will have to make all the denominators into 12. So LCM, which is equal to 12 here, right? So here 4 into what will give you 12? Into 3. So here 6 into what will give you 12? Which is 2. So while multiplying with denominator, same thing want to do with the numerator also. Now simplify the value. 1 into 3, 3 minus 1 into 2, 2 by, in both the cases denominator is 12, 12. Take any one of the 12. 3 minus 2 is 1 by 12. So we got 1 by 12. Directly you can substitute here 1 by 12. For that I have taken 1 by 12. Then you can take the negative 2 1 by 2, which is going to be the proper fraction. 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, 5. 5 by 2. As the next step, you can solve the small brackets. So here what is the LCM of 2 and 12? The LCM will become 12 itself. How? 2 is completely divisible in 12. That's why we can say LCM is 12. So here, in order to make the LCM, here you can multiply with 6. Here also 6. Here no need to do anything. So 5 into 6, 30 minus 1 divided by 12. So what is the final result? 30 minus 1, 29. 29 by 12. That is the result for that. So I am writing this 29 by 12. This is the final answer for the small bracket calculation. Now, this is to be multiplied with 1 by 2. Simply, I am writing all the things for your reference. As the next step, as you have solved the small bracket over here, here one more small bracket is there. So, whenever you are having two operators of same kind, you want to move from the left to right. First of all, we have started with the left side small bracket. Now we want to deal with the right side. So here of is given. Of means what? Multiplication. So only one operation is given with of. So 1 by 2, 4, 1 by 3 can be converted into fraction. 4 into 3, 12 plus 1, 13. 13 by 3. Now let's solve it. 1 into 13, 13. Denominator into denominator, 6. 13 by 6. So this is the whole value for this side. Okay. One of the part we have solved. So take the division over here. Now, what is the next step? So bracket we have solved, vinculum we have solved. So of also we have solved. Afterwards, we can go through over here, this bracket. One of the bracket is to be solved, that is curly braces. So here 1 by 2, no operations are given. So nothing given like that, and parenthesis which is given, simply you want to multiply. So here this denotes multiplication. 1 by 2 into 29 by 12. So simply what is the value? 1 into 29 which is 29 and 2 into 12 which is going to be 24. So here I have taken this part is 29 by 24. Then subtraction you can take it. So before taking subtraction you want to do addition, multiplication, division, whatever it is. Here we got multiplication, that's why we have solved it. Now convert this mixed fraction into fraction. 1 into 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 by 4. So in order to remove the curly braces, first you will have to solve this. So here 4 and 24, two denominators. LCM of 4 and 24 is what? Directly 24 you can say. Why? Because 4 is directly divisible in 24. So it is 24 is multiple of 4. So LCM will become 24. So to make 24 here and here, here already is there. So leave it here into 6. So here also into 6. The next way, the next thing, 5 into 6 is 30 minus this 29. In both the denominators 24, take any one. 24. Finally 1 by 24. This is what? All over the operation within the curly braces. The next thing, here division symbol is given. I am taking that. 3, 1 by 4 can be taken as 3 into 4, 12 plus 1, 13 by 4. So here we have got finally 13 by 4 divided by 1 by 24 divided by 13 by 6. Here we can say that whenever same operations are given, so consequent operations. So here first of all you want to start from the left side. So here 13 by 4. Division means whenever you are coming across any fraction value to be divided, take multiplication and take the reciprocal of the value, that is 24 by 1 want to be taken. So here 4 and 24 cancel, 13 into 6 we got. So this part is said to be 13 into 6. Let it be. So let's solve the division part over here. So division with fraction means directly you can convert the division into multiplication. After that you can take the reciprocal. So 6 by 13 like that. Now you can cancel this 13 and this 13 got cancelled. 6 into 6 which is 36. My final answer for this first problem is answer 36. The next problem. So vinculum which is not presented here, so you can ignore it. After that bracket, only one bracket is given. So we can focus over here. Inside of the bracket, what is to be done first? So based on the operation, division and addition are given. So division and addition, first of all you want to make division. So what is 6 divided by 3, which is 2. Then you can add with 27. So 27 plus 2 will give you 29. So which is inside of the small bracket. So afterwards you can copy down 4 by 29 of 29 plus 7 into 14 divided by 2. Afterwards, looking at the V board mass, V is not presented here, bracket is there, so directly you can take remove the bracket, only one value is there, right? So here off is given. So off is to be solved first, then you can do the further operation. So off means what? Off means multiplication. So you can do. So 29 with 29 get cancelled. So the final result will give you 4 over here. So afterwards, what is the next operation? We have solved this off, right? After division is there. So solve the division part. 14 divided by 2, which is going to be 7. So here into and here plus 7. So finally 4 plus 7 into 7. So what is the final answer? 7 into 7, which is to be done because addition is to be done to the next of multiplication. First of all multiplication here 49, then plus 4. Finally my result is 53. The next question, here under the curly braces, small bracket is given 4 into 3 plus 6 divided by 9, closing of the bracket, out of one of the value is given. Here this problem can be classified into two categories. So here this is part 2 and this is part 1. So out of, what is the word out of means? It is telling about the numerator by denominator. So what is the value before preceding the out of keyword, which is said to be the numerator, and what is the value after the out of, which is said to be the denominator. So this is numerator and this is denominator simply. The first thing, you will have to go through the small bracket. Under the small bracket, two calculations are given. So first of all, you want to solve the multiplication. 4 into 3, 12. 12 plus 6, which is going to be 18. So after solving the small bracket, you will be getting 18. So leave it. So afterwards, division is there. So 9. So out of, what is the value over here in the denominator? 9 minus 3. By picking up any one, 2. 9 minus 3, which is 6. 6 by 2. 6 by 2 is 3. So in the denominator, 3 will be there. In the numerator, 18 divided by 9, which is simply 2. So 2 out of 3. So simply which is said to be 2 by 3, and that is my answer. The next problem, in this first we say vinculum. Vinculum is presented. Yes, let's solve it first. What is 10 minus 3, which is 7? Let's take it. Afterwards, no other vinculum is presented. So bracket. Bracket means want to solve the small bracket first. So inside the small bracket, two operations are given. So addition first and subtraction next. Or else you can directly take with the symbols. If you are taking, it will become very easy. That is, while taking, you will have to take minus 3 like that. Then add up with that. Directly you can get the answer. So here we can use the rule. Addition 9 plus 2, which is 11. 11 minus 3, which is going to be 8. 8 inside of the small bracket. So I am repeating all other values like that. So the small bracket gone away. Only we are dealing with the curly braces now. Now we are going to deal with the curly braces. Inside of that, multiplication and addition are given. First you want to solve the multiplication. 8 into 4, which is 32, plus 3, which is going to be 35. Afterwards, which should be divided by 5, then should be added with 7. So finally 35 divided by 5, which is 7, then 7. Finally my answer is 14. The next problem, here let's check for the vinculum first. So here vinculum is presented over here. Let's solve this. So what is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4? Directly, if you are having the mental calculation, directly say 1 by 4, because half minus quarter is quarter, right? So here 1 by 4. Or else you want to take the LCM of the denominators, then do the subtraction. Here 1 by 4 I got directly. Then 5 minus 1 by 4 in the bracket. So no other calculation. So no need to worry about all the parts. So here under this part, only one more operation, directly you can do that. So 5 minus 1 by 4 is 4 3 by 4. You can take it directly or you can take the LCM and calculate. So this is the overall part of this side. So here minus I am taking, here 8, here plus, then 2 by 3 into 5 by 7, then divided by 1, then minus 1 by 3 over here. What is the next step of solving this is, you want to solve the small bracket, that is 2 into 5, which is going to be 10 on the numerator, and 3 into 7, which is going to be 21 on the denominator. So after that, you can directly remove the bracket. Why? Because if you are getting a single entity, that is single value, directly you can remove that. So now after removing, just you can check division, addition and subtraction. So here we can remove this box also. So among these three operators, which is to be done at first, division should be given preference. So here 1 divided by any value will give you the reciprocal. So 1 divided by 10 by 21 is simply 21 by 10. So plus 8 minus 4 3 by 4. Here convert into fraction. 4 into 4, 16. 16 plus 3, 19. 19 by 4. Now what the thing we want to do is, here the denominator is to be considered 1. Take the LCM of 10, 1 and 4. So no need take for 1 separately. It is common. So 10 and 4, what is the LCM? So directly you can check out 2 into 2, which is 4. Here 2 into 5, which is 10. So what are common things over here? You can make a circle over here. Now to take the LCM, take the common value only one time 2. Afterwards this 5. Afterwards this 2. Finally the LCM is 5 into 2, 10 into 20. That is the LCM. After getting the LCM as 20, you can directly make the denominator to the LCM. So I am taking 2 over here, I am making 20 over here, I am making 5 over here. Also I have taken the numerator to multiply with these values. What is 21 into 2? 42 plus 8 into 2, 160 minus 19 into 5, which is 95. So afterwards, which is to be divided by the common LCM, take any one of the value, that is 20. So what is the final result? So 42 plus 160, 202. 202 minus 95, what is the value? So here 2 and 2 cut. So 200 minus 93, which is 107. So finally 107 by 20. This is the result for what? This is the result for these parts together. So finally this part is to be subtracted from this value, that is minus 1 by 3. Let's do that. So minus 1 by 3, you want to subtract this 107 by 20. For that you want to take the LCM of 3 and 20. Both are co-prime to each other. So in such a case, you want to multiply it here with 20. Here you want to multiply it with 3. So here numerator also to be multiplied with the same numbers here. So what is the final result? Minus 1 into 20 minus 20 minus 107 into 3. That is simply 321. Divided by 3 into 20 or 20 into 3, 60, any 160 you can take. Final result, minus and minus will give you the result in minus. So 20 and 321 add up, 341 divided by 60. But looking at the option, all the options are given in terms of mixed fraction. So convert it into mixed fraction. How many 60s are in 300? 5 times 60 is 300. So 5 times, after that 41, right? So 41 by 60. What is the sign here? Negative sign. So finally, my answer for this question is minus 5, 41 by 60. The next problem. Here first of all, you will have to solve the vinculum. So 1 plus 6, which is 7. Directly I have taken. So plus, let it be. So after solving the vinculum, want to focus on the bracket. In the bracket, 2 divisions are given. How to solve this? First of all, you will have to solve the left to right order you want to maintain. So for that I am making within the bracket 14 divided by 7. So that is 14 divided by 7 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, or else you can make for the division into reciprocal value of 7 simply. After that 1 by 2. So directly you will be getting the 7 cancel 2 times, 2 cancel. So finally the 1 is the result over here. So 7 plus 1 over here. You can take this plus. Now you want to solve these parentheses, that is small bracket or order, both are given here. Bracket is given, Here order. Order means what? Square root, cube root and all. You want to solve both. So first of all, let's solve this. So under this, 3 multiplications or 2 multiplications are given. So first of all, you want to solve the order, that is square. 2 into 2, 4. Then 5 into 4 into 2. Simply you can start 5 into 4. 20 into 2, 40. So 40. We have opened the small bracket. After that, into. In the numerator, 2 is presented. What is square root of 16? Simply 4. So 2 by 4. Now you can cancel however. So finally 1 by 2. Here 2 want to be done here. 20 is the result for these all operations together. That is curly braces up to here. So which is 20. So let me take here 20, here plus and here 1 plus 7. So in order to solve that, you will have to make all the additions together. So finally the answer is, simply you can add up the values and get it. So 20 plus 7 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8 plus 20, answer 28. The next problem, that is 2. Within the small bracket, 7 minus 4 minus 3. So here what are the parameters we can find is vinculum after the bracket, after subtraction. So first of all, you want to solve the vinculum. 4 minus 3, which is 1. Afterwards, you can take the minus with 7. Now 2 is to be multiplied at last. So 7 minus 1 is simply 6. 2 into 6 is the final answer. So answer for this question is 12, which is given in the option B. Here the next problem is 5 plus 5 plus 5, the whole divided by 5, and the difference is given here in the denominator. 5 plus 5 plus 5 divided by 5. How to solve this? Let's see. In the numerator part, we are having division, bracket and addition. So among this, first of all, bracket is to be solved. So in the numerator, 5 plus 5 directly 15, which is, can make it. So which is to be divided by 5. So obviously in the numerator you will be getting 3, right? In the denominator part, only addition and division. So first of all, you will have to solve this part. 5 divided by 5, 1. So 5 plus 5 plus 1, all together 11. So here 11, which is 3 by 11, and that is the answer. Here the main thing to be noted over here is, after bracket the calculation is different. So no bracket, the calculation is different. So here the final answer is 3 by 11. The next problem is, what is the answer for 5 divided by 5 divided by 5 divided by 5? What is the final result? So directly you can start with the left side operator. So 5 here, I am going to convert it into multiplication. So I want to take the reciprocal of this 5, 1 by 5. After that into, this is 1 by 5. After that into 1 by 5. So what is the final answer? One numerator and denominator 5 will get cancelled. Finally 1 by 25, which is the correct answer, which is given in the option. It's not actually given in the option because all of your options are given in terms of decimal values. So here, what is the equal decimal value for this 1 by 25? Check it out. So for that you will have to make the denominator in terms of 100. So whenever you want to make 10 power n, just think of it. That is 25 into what is 100? That is into 4. So here also into 4. What is 1 into 4? 4. 25 into 4? 100. What is the equivalent decimal value for that? 0.04. So according to the option, you can make your conversion on your answer. That is 0.04 is the answer, which is given in the option B. The next question, 3 divided by 4 minus 5 plus 2 under the bar bracket. What is the final answer? First of all, you will have to solve the vinculum, right? So 5 plus 2, which is 7. After that, you can make other operations. So from this pattern, you want to solve this 3 by 4 then minus 7. Why I have taken so? Why? Because 3 and 4 are not compatible with each other. That is, 3 is not a factor or 4 is not the factor. So you will be getting a fraction value. Now you can make the necessary process of converting the denominator to same value. Then you can do the subtraction. So here 4, here to make 4, you can multiply by 4. So 3 minus 28 divided by 4. Finally, I will be getting minus 25 by 4. Just have a look over your options. So whether this 25 by 4 negative value which is presented or not. So which is not presented, all are given in terms of mixed fractions. So let's convert it. How many times 4? 6 times 4. So put the negative. How many? What is the remainder here? 1. Negative 6, 1 by 4 is the option which is given in the option A. The next problem which consists of numerator and the denominator as well. So let's solve from the numerator. In the numerator, bracket, addition, multiplication, addition and division are given. Among that, preference to be given for the bracket. So let's solve 2 plus 3 which is going to be 5. So as soon as you got a single entity value, you can remove the bracket as well. Now, what are the operators in front of you? Multiplication, addition and division. Among the division is to be given preference. So, what is 3 divided by 1 by 2? So, 3 into 2 by 1 is the operation for that. So, what is 3 into 2? 6. 6 is given in such a way. I have taken that. Now, what is the final value? 5 into 5 is to be done, which is 25 plus 6. Which is on the numerator part, divided by. In the denominator, we can make it first division. So 4 divided by 4 by 5 is equal to 4 into 5 by 4. Now let's cancel. What's the value here? 5. So let's take 6 plus 5 into 5. So here first of all you want to make the multiplication, that is 25 plus 6. In both the cases 25 plus 6, 25 plus 6, both will get cancelled. Finally, the answer for this question is 1. The next question, what is the final result of this? So, first of all, you want to check division of and division, multiplication, division are given. First of all, the preference to be given for of. So, we can take 4 into 4, which is going to be 16. So, let me rewrite 4 divided by 16, then divided by 4 into 4 divided by 4. So, at last you want to make this division part first, that is 4 divided by 16. You can make it 1 by 4. We have solved it. Just wait and we can make here division. Before division we should not make this calculation, right? So, first let's solve it. 4 divided by 4 which is 1. So, 4 into 1 which is going to be 4 itself. So, 4. So, after solving this, you getting 4. So, here 1 by 4. So, division. So, what is 1 by 4 divided by 4? Convert this sign into multiplication. This 4 can be written as reciprocal form. So, finally, my answer is 1 by 16. In this session, we have solved lots of problems on V BoardMass principle. Now, it's your turn to answer the question. So here this question is given in front of you. In the numerator and denominator, so many values are given. After solving, you may get a whole number value or a fraction value. Your options are A 4 by 17, B 4 by 19, C 1 or D 0. Subscribe our channel for more upcoming sessions.